Hi guys, I'm Anna. I'm the global artist here at e.l.f. Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you 2 colors to take you to that glam rocker chic type of a look. Let's start off with our liquid glitter eyeshadows. We have 8 different shades. We have some cool tones and warm tones, something for everybody. A lot of you guys have been talking about our poreless putty primer for the face, and guess what? We made one simply for the eyes. It comes in 6 different shades, and today I'm going to be using our white and our black as a base for these glitter eyeshadows. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with this putty eye primer. It's the color white, and I'm gonna shape out her eye as a base before I put the liquid glitter eyeshadow on top. So now I'm gonna take our putty eye primer in black and carve out the outer edge of her eye for that winged eye look. I'm gonna extend it past her eye shape, just like so, and I'm gonna color in between the lines. And it's okay to not be perfectly blended, because what you're gonna do is take that liquid glitter eyeshadow and put it on top. So today I'm using Bling Bling, and I'm gonna put it right on top of where the white is. And I'm gonna blend it into the black a little. Then I'm gonna take Black Magic and lay it on top of that black. So I'm gonna hug her bottom lash line just to connect where the wing out is. Then I'm taking Bling Bling and putting it right on top. And I'll take Black Magic and put it on top of the black. All right, so now I am gonna take our No Budge retractable pencil and do her waterline with the black. That's pretty much it. Then we're gonna finish off with some mascara. And again, my trick for mascara is to bend the wand right at the edge and then go from the root to the tip and shimmy shake it so that way it can plump up your lashes. Now let's do the other side. That pretty much gives her that really pretty rocker chic look. She can go have a nice night out on the town, go to the concert, go to the festival, wherever, and she's all good to go, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Rocker
Bye.
chic. Bye.